guys, how are you? I know all of you are fine. Today I have to show you how to make PDF and send it to mail by Adobe Scanner. Let us start. Open Play Store app and then click on the search for apps option and search Adobe Scanner. Adobe Scanner. Install it and then install it. I already installed it, so I cannot install it again. Then press the open option. This is open option. Press it. Then there will come sign in option. There were 3 options. One is sign in with Google, 2 is sign in with Facebook, 3 is sign in with Apple. I will sign in with Google. I prefer you to sign in with Google. If you will not prefer with Google, sign in with Facebook or Apple. There will be an option welcome to Adobe Scan. Then press it. Let's go. I scan a page. There is 2 options. One is auto scan, another one is manual scan. I do it first in auto scan. Look at that. Hold. There will be my picture was hazy, so I click on retake option. If your picture is clear, so click in keep scanning option. I click in retake option. Then now I will do in manual. There will be a option in here. Number 1. Click on that. And my scan is fully perfect. If you can change it, filter option, then click on original color. Okay? If you change it, rename, so click on this pen option and I write I rename it like, and then click on rename option. The PDF will be renamed and then click on this option. It was save PDF. I click it, wait for some minute. There will be a uploading. This PDF will be uploading. Wait for some minute. My PDF will be uploaded. Then we will click on this share option and press on this email option. If you send it link, so click on email link, and if you send it to achievement, so click on email achievement. I share it in achievement, so I click in achievement. The PDF will become, there will be some names, you can cut it. Then you will write your name, your class, your section, your roll number. Okay. Then select which mail ID you will send. I already selected which mail ID I will send, and then click on this arrow option. My email will be sent. It was very easy. If you have any query of it, write in comment box. Okay? And if you like this video, so click on the like option. And those who are not subscribed the channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon.